Can breastfeeding prevent allergies in our newborn kids? The science says yes. Welcome to Healthy Beginnings Initiative, and I am Hilda, your lactation counselor and your transformational genomic wellness consultant. Today, on this video, let us consider how breastfeeding prevents allergies in our newborn children and for the rest of their life. So, exclusive breastfeeding reduces the risk of asthma, eczema, and even food allergies. How? Well, we have seen in our previous video when we discussed about colostrum, that is the first thick yellow milk that comes almost from 7th month of pregnancy onwards, and it is present for almost 3 to 5 days post delivery. We had noticed about colostrum it being thick in consistency and also having the presence of antibodies and immunoglobulins and growth factors, which makes it a very powerful nutrient for the baby in the first few days of the baby's life. Also, we noticed how colostrum, because of its thick consistency, while the baby ingests or takes in this milk, since the baby's gut lining is sterile, meaning pure, and there is nothing attached to it, or it is safe and pure in all its form, the colostrum, while it goes from the oral cavity, moving onto the esophagus and the stomach, on the small intestine, large intestine, and then until the anus, it helps to push the baby's stool, which is inside, that is meconium. It helps to push it out and reduces the case of jaundice for the babies. Also, while this colostrum is going down, it starts to paint the gut lining, and the good bacteria from the colostrum starts attaching onto the lining and starts growing. So, this forms the first line of defense for the baby, protecting this baby for the rest of his life from all kinds of infections that the baby can have. Now, we also saw the situation where the baby doesn't take colostrum and takes formula as the first feed, which is not a live milk. It is basically cow's milk processed in the factories, which has a lot of preservatives and chemicals and probably spores of bad bacteria, which while it is the first milk that goes into the baby's gut, there is no defense system for the baby to protect it against these bad bacteria or the chemicals or the irritants or the preservatives, and the baby is more prone to get gut infections, irritability, gas, bloating, and also allergies. This is the main start of our allergies right from the beginning with formula fed feeding. So, antibodies and immune factors, they train the baby's immune system. So, this is the main powerful factor of colostrum and the breast milk. So, formula, it introduces foreign bodies or foreign proteins which is not able to be taken care of by the baby's body. So, this causes a higher allergy risk for the baby. So, the gut microbiome from breast milk is very natural and pure, and this acts as an allergy shield for the baby. So, exclusive breastfeeding, it's your baby's first allergy prevention plan, and do not let your baby be devoid of this precious gift that God has made for us in our breast milk for our babies. This is a powerful video telling us how we can prevent allergies for the baby right from the beginning. If you found this powerful, do share it with your friends and family, especially to moms who are in this breastfeeding journey or who are preparing themselves for the same. We will meet in the next video.